How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this absolute beast. It's a KTM 1290 Superduke R. Awesome bit of kit of these things. We'll go through everything in a second, but this one's a 2017 on a 67 plate. It's only done 926 miles. It's a one owner bike, and it is the newer model, so it has got the full colour TFT display and the different headlight. But proper wicked bike these. Just sort of 180 brake horsepower, and then the nuts. Proper bag of fun. So you get adjustable traction, you get ABS, you get different power modes. What else do you get on them? You get cruise control. This one's got the quickshifter and it's got the blipper fit into it as well. So you can be brapping along, up and down gearbox without using your clutch, off you go. It's got an Evotech radiator guard and Evotech exhaust hanger. It's got a tail tidy on it as well, and you've got a little bit of protection at the bottom of the forks and the for the paddock stand bobbins as well on rear wheel. So like I said, full colour TFT display on this one. You get Brembo M50 monoblock brakes, WP suspension, beast of a bike. Get a quick fire up. Even with standard exhaust on, this sound incredible. Like I said, proper big, powerful, naked bike. Super quick, super comfortable, one of our best sellers. So if you do want it, do be quick. Get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.